Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we just fitted another Starline i96 on a 2015 AMG G-Wagon, left-hand drive. Just ignore the error codes because it came in with error codes, so it's got nothing to do with the immobiliser. I'm just going to show you how it works. So basically, if someone was to grab this key from the house, go in and try and start it, this is what would happen. So ignition on, try and start, vehicle won't start, okay? Vehicle won't start, okay? So now every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, what he basically done is ignition on, go through a push sequence. On here we've done something very basic just for the video. So 1, 2, 3, you'll hear a melody, there you go, and start the vehicle. Okay, really clever, really straightforward. Also, if the customer wanted to change the code, this is also straightforward. The way the customer will do it is ignition on, disarm the system, so 1, 2, 3, receive a melody, and then hit one of the buttons on the network 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, key off, pause, key back on, and we get 5 bleeps. That means we're now ready to learn. So I'm going to change it to say the minus for now. So 1, 2, 3. So notice we hear a bleep, so that means that button's on the network and we can use it. I'm going to wait for confirmation now. There you go, and now repeat that code again. So 1, 2, 3, wait for the same confirmation. There you go, code is now learned. So if I leave it about 10 seconds and then try and start it, you'll see that the vehicle will be immobilised once again. I think it's about 10 seconds now, so foot on the brake, ignition on, try and start it. See, vehicle doesn't start, okay? Okay, so now ignition on. Try the new code, 1, 2, 3. Melody, start the vehicle. There you go, really clever, really straightforward. Also, if the customer wanted to take the car for a service and he wanted to put it in valet mode, this is also very simple. And the way he would do that is ignition on, disarm the system, receive a melody, then hit one of the buttons on the network 11 times, key off, key on, you get 2 bleeps. And then when he gets it back, ignition on, code again, double bleep, out of valet mode. So let's just do that now. So ignition on, 1, 2, 3, disarm. There you go. And now hit this button 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Key off, key back on. 2 bleeps. There you go. So now this is in valet mode. Doesn't need any codes. Okay. Then when he gets the vehicle back, basically ignition on and just put his code in. So ignition on, code, double bleep, out of valet mode. So if I now turn off the ignition, leave it for about 10 seconds, and then try and start it, you'll see that it won't start. And we'll insert the code and start the vehicle. So ignition on, foot on the brake, try and start. There you go, doesn't start. Okay, so ignition on, code, 1, 2, 3, melody. There you go, start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Hope you found this quick video helpful. As I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company, and this is the left-hand drive G-Wagon AMG 2015 with a Starline i96. Number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much, bye-bye.